Salutations and hello, greetings and good tidings. I'm Evan and I am excited I get to make this video. Finally, I wish I could make this video every day, but today, especially because today is December, I believe 16th when I am filming this, which is a day that takes place in the month of December. And what's so great about that, you might be asking yourself? Well, it's winter time, and specifically, it's Christmas time or whatever holiday you want to celebrate around this time. It's Happy Holidays time. That's the summary, and this is my favorite time of the year, and I felt I had to make a video explaining why that is so. So, first off, I think the basics of it is, everyone's known that there's been the long-lasting debate of which is better, hot weather or cold weather, and this can, the answer can change from person to person. Me personally, I believe the definitive superior answer and the better weather element is, or temperature, is cold. Because when it's hot outside, let's think. It's hot outside and you're sweating, you're dripping. You can only get so naked, especially in public, right? You can probably take your shirt off and then like you can't get really any cooler in terms of like clothes, to make yourself more comfortable. You can't get any more comfortable. But if it's cold outside, you can just keep wrapping yourself up. You can just put on more and more jackets and coats and sweaters and hoodies and whatever you want. Hockey jerseys on top of you. You can make yourself a damn human burrito, just rolling around in all the clothes, just rolling down a hill. You can't do that when you're hot. Like you have more control when you're cold, when the weather is cold outside as to what the temperature of your body is. When you're hot, there's only like so much you can do. So that's why I say I think cold weather is better. So there's that part of it. And then there's also the other effects of having cold weather too, like no bugs. I live in a forested area, so there's always lots of bugs. And when it's cold outside, I don't have to deal with any of those. And then there's also no need for sunscreen because it's normally cloudy, or even if it's like clear and really cold, the sun's not going to burn you. I mean, I am super white, so I mean, the risk is always there. But in the winter, I mean, it's a pretty safe bet that I'm not going to get any sunburn at all. So there's that part of it too, because I don't like putting on sunscreen unless I'm getting in the water. But like if I have to play tennis outside and it's like 90 degrees, like I understand why people want me to put sunscreen on. But I'd rather just not have to, but I do have to because it's not like cold outside and it's not winter. So there's that part of it. So to recap of the weather side of it, it's cold is better than hot, no bugs, and no sunscreen, right? And then there's also there's also snow days too, cancellations of school. That's always great. And all this weather stuff, honestly, we have not experienced it around where I live on the east coast of the U.S. because like it's just been, I can tell climate change is real because we hardly get any snow ever, and it's tragic. Like we're lucky to get one snow day a year now. We used to get, when I was growing up, we'd get like weeks off of school. It was great, and now there's nothing. And it's honestly not that that cold out at all. It's like 50 today or something. Why? And I am seeing like we have moths in our bathrooms. There's like stink bugs in the house. We had like hornets a few weeks ago. It's supposed to be wintertime. I'm not supposed to be seeing any of these things. Like they have their time in the summer. That is their designated time and place. But they're still coming here. They're year round now. So it is unbelievable. It's ridiculous, but I'm gonna try not let that get me down too much. So I'm gonna try to enjoy it because it's Christmas time or holiday time. And just the overall mood, the vibe is better during holiday time. Everything just feels nicer. I like seeing all the Christmas lights at night. I like that the days are shorter. I like there's more darkness to go around because I'm just a nighttime person. I think everything's just way more fun at night instead of the daytime. So I like feeling that. And I love when there is snow. I do love looking at it, and the snow is really pretty. I think nature just looks better in snow. And I love everything about snow, and I love watching snow in movies and snow in video games. I watched The Revenant last night with Leonardo DiCaprio. I haven't seen that movie before, and there's a lot of snow in that movie. And it is a really beautiful movie when they're not doing violent stuff. And then I used to say, like 2015, when I would give people the answer to this, I guess it's just, the answer as to why I think winter and just in general is my favorite time of the year, favorite season. I would say there's a new Star Wars movie every year. And that used to be true. And that was when Force Awakens was coming out, and then we had Rogue One, and Force Awakens is fine. Rogue One, I think, is just as good as the original trilogy. Every time I watch it, it gets better, and it's just a great movie. And after that, they definitely dipped off in quality. Solo wasn't a bad movie. It was good watching it, but when I try to watch it now, I just get kind of bored. Yeah, the other Star Wars movies they made, Last Jedi and Rise of Skywalker, those are not good at all. Those are trash. So I can't really say that anymore. I can't say, like, well, good thing about Winter is that there's a Star Wars movie. I can't say anymore. There's shows all the time now, and they're not that good. Who cares about Skeleton Crew? They're going to bring back Mace Windu, I heard, and just like why they're so creatively bankrupt now. They got to bring back everybody. No one's allowed to die. They're probably going to bring back Palpatine again. So, yeah, can't say that anymore. But still, a lot of great things going for Winter. I think makes it way better than summertime or any kind of hot weather or anything like that. Like there are certain nice qualities of all the other seasons, but I think Winter just tops them out the most. I mean, also you get the humongous break from school, right? It's a few weeks, depends where you live, whatever, but I think no matter where you live, it is going to be the biggest break you're going to get from school during the school year. So does that as well. Well, I guess, okay. Well, that's not really fair compared to summer, because summer there is no school unless you're really bad and you're in summer school. Right, so maybe that's not true, but I mean, during the school year, you get what I'm saying, right? So I love wintertime. I just get so happy. I was going to wear a Santa hat on top of my head for this video, and then I looked around the house and I realized we don't have one, so maybe I should put that on my wish list. I don't know. We need some Santa hats around here. We need to get a holiday shot and everything. We decorated a tree actually right after Thanksgiving, and so that was a lot of fun. And with my dog, we put a little collar on him. It's green. It has all these jingle bells on him, so it becomes Jingle Doggo. So that's awesome. So I just love Christmas, and I thought our holidays, and well, I love Christmas, but you may love other holidays. And I had to make a video on it. I am on winter break now, so we'll see how many videos I can put out. But other than that, nothing's really coming into my head right now, so I think I'll just end it here. Probably said what I needed to say. So hopefully I've gotten the point across to you as to why winter and holiday time is definitively the best time of the year. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section below. And I'll be seeing you next video. Happy holidays!